$260,000 from one Etsy product and no skills. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Today we will discuss how to make money without the need to have drawing skills. Lots of people want to own a shop on Etsy or sell a product or service in digital form. Because the advantage of digital products is that you can get up to almost 100% profit and you can automate your shop so you can get a large passive income. The problem with people in general is that most people don't have good design skills, and I usually give Canva tutorials to help you design a digital product. In today's video I will help you, but in an easier way. Today we will use AI to help you design better digital products, and it doesn't take long. This is of course very easy for you if you want to earn money from Etsy or Fiverr, because it only takes a few minutes to create a design. Okay, now let's just discuss 3 ways to make money with AI, and the first way is that you can sell digital products using AI. You can use any AI you like text to image in Canva, DALL-E 2 or Mid-Journey, because it all depends on you using the AI. You may create a variety of visuals to sell online by using AI technologies. The most often used ones include paintings, pictures, textures, patterns, website backgrounds, and mobile wallpapers. Selling graphics may be a source of income in a few different ways. The most frequent method is to sell them online via a stock photo website or an online marketplace. For selling images and graphics, for instance, Creative Market is a fantastic site. Another is Etsy, an online store where you can buy and sell different products like pictures and artwork. Other stock picture marketplaces include Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and iStock Photo, where you may sell your artwork. You may even build your own website and market your graphics there, as a last option. In the first way to earn money in this tutorial, we will focus on digital products that are in the Etsy shop or website only, but I suggest you use Etsy because you don't need to look for visitors to come to your website, and Etsy has a lot of Etsy store visitors. The product that I recommend for this first category is wall art. Although you can also work on other niches using AI, there are several shops that you can study in this niche. The first shop that you can learn about is Sin Plus, with a collection of digital products with close-up pictures of cute animals, and there are various kinds of animals in the bundles he made. Actually, the products he makes are quite simple, and you can even get them on various other sites such as Raw Pixel or from Google, but the price for each bundle is expensive. The price he offers for his digital products is around $70 and is discounted to $55. Of course, in this way, the target you want to achieve can be realized immediately, and if you count this bundle, it sells each item for $4. Even though just buying 12 pieces for this item, you will already get $55. The next shop that I think is quite good to learn about is a shop called North Print. The design of this shop is actually a bit difficult to make because the design is in the form of a painting and there is a possibility that he painted it himself. This shop is able to generate sales of 230,000 sales of all the products it sells, and all of its products are digital downloads, so you only need to paint it once and you can sell it many times. And if you look at the reviews from this shop, it reaches 14,000 reviews from all sales from the shop, and in fact, I often discuss the shop because it can be said to be a successful shop. This store has generated more than $1.7 million by selling digital goods, according to an Alura check. Another interesting detail about this store is that its top-selling items may bring in a total of roughly $260,000, with this month's sales alone being $16,000. If you want to make a design similar to that of the first or second shop, then you can use AI to make your work easier in making good wall art designs. I will give an example of using Canva with the text to image menu. Later in the second category, we will try using DALL-E, and you can analyze for yourself which one is right for you. You just open Canva, and in the right corner there is a Create a Design button, and you just click that button, then you just adjust the size of the canvas to your needs, and in this tutorial I used 8 inches multiplied by 8 inches. Then a display like this will appear, and you just click on the bottom. There is a More menu and you are looking for text to image, which is usually purple. You just click on the menu, and the menu will move to the left like this. Then you only need to enter keywords about the image you want to make. In this tutorial I used the keywords magnificent wall art close-up cat on white background. Then you click on the image style you want and I will choose a photo style, or you can also choose this surprise. The results will vary according to the keywords, and even with the same keywords the results will still be different. So you only need to repeat it several times and change the keywords according to your needs until you find an image that matches the bundle you want to make. Making print-on-demand goods is another option to profit from your AI-generated visuals. You make a design and upload it to a website like CafePress, Zazzle, Teespring, Printify, or Redbubble. Your design will then be printed by these websites onto a variety of items, including t-shirts, mugs, posters, notebooks, and phone covers. Each sale will result in a commission for you. We will try to make several works using DALL-E to be sold on various other print-on-demand websites, because apart from the options I mentioned above, there are many other print-on-demand websites. But you can also sell your print-on-demand products on Etsy, so you don't have to do promotions and work hard to get buyers to your website or your shop. If you don't know what DALL-E is, then let me explain a little. DALL-E is the same as the Canva text-to-image that we tried earlier, but DALL-E was one of the pioneers before Canva text-to-image. You can complete the DALL-E 2 registration if you wish to utilize DALL-E by making an account on the OpenAI website. Additionally, you may register with services like Google or Microsoft. You will be required to provide your email address, a security code, and a password of 8 digits. After that, you will receive an email with a link that you must click in order to verify. Additionally, you will receive an SMS containing a text code that you must input in order to validate your identity. After accepting the terms and conditions, click Proceed to begin using DALL-E 2. New DALL-E 2 users receive 50 free credits to go toward creating, editing, or modifying a picture. New image generations return for 1024x 1024 pixel images for the cost of 1 credit. Users then receive 15 free DALL-E 2 credits each month after that. You must purchase them at a cost of $15 for 115 credits in order to obtain more. However, you may establish thousands of email addresses to register on the OpenAI site, so once your credit runs out, start a new account once again with a different email. In this way, you can truly generate thousands of works with this AI for free. There are several applications for the DALL-E 2. The first thing you'll see after creating an account is a sizable box where you may type. This is the prompt field. Try to be as descriptive as you can while describing the image you want to create. You have up to 400 characters to do so. DALL-E 2 will generate for picture alternatives once you click Generate based on your request. Simply retry after a little delay if you receive an error message. You'll frequently discover that you need to alter the prompt and try again after the initial results until you become acclimated to how much detail you need to provide in the description. Click on the one of the 4 photographs you like most after you found it. The picture may be downloaded on the next screen. Click the arrow in the top right of the image. Additionally, you may change the image, choose Edit to get tools like an eraser and choices to upload an additional image to add to the AI creation or to add additional squares to enlarge your artwork. Additionally, you may make variations of the image. DALL-E 2 will produce 4 different versions of the original image. Selling your AI-generated work as a service is the third best approach to make money using artificial intelligence. You can do this by offering your work to companies or clients that require it for their own projects. The greatest place to start if you want to earn money from selling graphics is by building a portfolio. This will highlight your abilities and offer potential clients an idea of the kinds of designs you can produce. You may start offering your graphic design services on websites like Upwork or Fiverr after you have a portfolio. You may make a lot of money rapidly because there is no cap on the price you can charge for art, so look for some graphic design jobs like 2D concept artist to get an idea of what you can charge. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next. and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.